Then we come to the topic of metals. How do you scan metals? These are, it's a commonly asked question. How did I scan this? How did I scan this with the Medit i700? You can see it's obviously a removable partial denture, cobalt chrome, so very shiny. And here's another example. This was actually a very shiny metal amalgam filling and a gold crown, and both of them were scanned very easily. And no, guys, I didn't use any pastes. I didn't use any scanning powders. I didn't use anything that's an adjunct to scanning. All I simply did when I am scanning, this is my tip for you if you're trying to scan metals and it's not working, is just change the angle of attack of your scan. Let's assume this is your tooth preparation. You're trying to scan the gold crown behind it. And you will find sometimes if you're right above the gold crown, the scanner may not capture it fully. And it's simple. Why this happens is that the light is reflecting from the gold crown straight into the mirror and almost overexposing the sensor that's inside the scanner. So how we control this is really straightforward, guys. Just change your angle of attack. You would scan your preparation and then go back. Any metals, you just change the angle that you are scanning them from. Go from all different angles to try scan that and prevent as much light reflecting straight back into the scanner. And if you do this, I promise you, you shouldn't have any issues scanning any metal. I've scanned metal partial dentures. I've scanned gold crowns, even orthodontic patients. No issues at all. The only metals you will find very tricky to scan is wires for orthodontic patients. Those are tricky. But then again, I can't think of a single reason you would need to scan an orthodontic wire. All the brackets and everything like that get captured just fine. The other thing is, on the topic of scanning, is to use the software to help you with these tricky cases. And one example of this is with the Medit software. They have a metal scanning mode, and you can see it blown up here. So if you are scanning metals and you're finding it difficult, you need to learn the software and learn which tools it has to help make these tricky cases easier.